Hi everyone, my name is Maydad, and together with my partners Kelvin and Vaidik, we created MagiCart. But before we explain what MagiCart is and what it does, we wanted to give you a little bit of context on the problem that MagiCarts aim to solve and how we solve it. So, all of us are either currently students, have been students before, or humans. So we can all agree on three major points. Number one, we all wish we had more money. I mean, who doesn't, right? Number two, we all need to eat a little bit healthier sometimes, even if it's hard to admit, especially when it's yucky food like broccoli. And number three, we all wish we had way more time and way less stress. But what if we told you that by using MagiCart, we can solve all three of those problems for you in a matter of minutes or even seconds? Well, it is more than possible, and this is exactly what MagiCart does. MagiCart is your all-in-one AI-integrated shopping cart that lets users build a general shopping list by adding all of their favorite items or their necessities and compare prices across all the different retailers around them. When I'm showing the demo now, once I'm done adding items to my cart, I can click View Cart on the bottom right or the top right. And you can see we currently have 9 items in the cart. I can expand the list, change the quantities, or even remove a few items if I change my mind at the last second. I can collapse the list for now. You can see that MagiCart automatically compares the prices of this exact shopping list across all the major retailers near us. So in Texas, the big retailers currently are Walmart, H-E-B, Kroger, Aldi, Target, Sam's Club. And MagiCart automatically finds that Walmart will have the best price if we do curbside pickup. It also finds that in H-E-B, we're out of stock with these 3 items, so we can accept the automatic substitutions or reject it, which would remove it from the list, or I guess from the cart at H-E-B specifically. You can see currently Walmart is at $24.75, but if we change for delivery, then H-E-B becomes the cheapest because delivery fee at H-E-B is cheapest. So MagiCart isn't only saving you money, but it also finding the best deal in seconds by calculating as well as using general API. We also implemented Gemini in order to recommend stores based on hundreds of reviews. So currently you can see we recommend H-E-B, even though H-E-B is a little more expensive than the cheapest. You can also chat with Gemini and ask it questions. If you have time, please try this out. We work really hard on this to give it personality and make it hopefully funny. Chat with Gemini, it's really cool. You can see we can also sign in to an account in order to sync our plan across devices. But what is even the plan? You can see that once you sign in, there's a shopping plan tab, which lets you immediately add plans to your cart. Let's say I will add Max's order. I can click edit to edit the name, the monthly frequency, and see the quantities. Or I can simply click add to cart. You can also delete plans if you don't want them anymore. After you add everything to cart, you can see our current health score is 100. But let's say I remove a few of the healthy foods. Currently, our AI health score is 44. We can click Get AI Health Recommendation, which solves the second problem, eating healthy. By clicking this, Gemini will scan your cart and recommend affordable and delicious fruits and veggies that would make your cart more healthy. Let's say I add 5 bananas and I hate everything else. I can click Go Back to Cart. Currently, we have a 98 score, which is excellent. I can continue checking out with Aldi since it's the cheapest, or I can click the pencil button and get and pick whatever I want. I can pick the star indicate the Gemini recommended, or I can pick any of the other retailers. Let's say I'm going with Aldi because it's the cheapest. I can click Continue with Aldi, and then I can input my address. By using Google Maps API, we can get intelligent recommendation using Gemini, which finds the closest Aldi to us, as well as generates an interactive map from our starting point, marked in green, to Aldi, marked in orange. But let's say your wife calls and says that once you get home from work, please go get milk on the way. Sounds incredibly complicated. Not anymore. You can turn on route optimization, put your starting location, for example, work, put the destination, and Gemini and Google Maps integration would simply update your map in seconds. And click Continue to Order Summary, which would allow you to see every detail that you selected, the item, and the total. We can also save this for future use, which will allow us to order it with a few single clicks, aka save you time and stress. We can click Order at Aldi to put all the items in the cart in Aldi's cart for you, so you can order with one click on Aldi.